let's start first with the encrypting communication between the project and the history database. This is possible. We have an encrypting possibility here. So first of all, it's not needed and possible when system server and SQL server are located on the same machine. This is not needed. Why? We are using here shared memory feature to share the information. Okay, we are using the RAM on the same machine to share the memory. So encrypting is not possible and not needed. Okay, from the point of view of security, there the feature is that actually the machine should be secure. So make sure that the machine itself is secured, okay, and the communication to the machine is secured. But having SQL server and the WinCC server with the project on the same machine, this feature is not needed and is also not possible to do it. So it's really a TCP IP connection, and we have TCP IP connection when WinCC server and project are and SQL server are located on different machines and connected over TCP IP. Only then encrypted communication is possible. Encrypting the communication will slow down the performance. So far, I don't know any encrypting system which speeds up the performance. So all of them will slow down the performance. How much? This is down to the hardware, down to the size of the project. Okay, this is, we can't give you figures about this, but just that you are aware. So knowing that you're using this technology, knowing that you are maybe with the system object and other communications at the edge from one of the hardware categories, okay, make sure that you're having a better performant machine, make sure that you're having a very good high-speed connection, TCP IP connection, Ethernet connection. What is supported? Supported host name certificate types. So any commercial certificate from certificate authorities, self-signed or self-generated in SMC, okay, certificates are supported. So basically all what we know and all what we so far using in encrypting communication between the different components. To configure encrypted communication in the Desigo CC part, in SMC, this is the easy part. I'm just enabling this feature here and nothing else. On the SQL Server part, you know that with the installation of SQL Server, you're having also the SQL Server Configuration Manager, okay? And in there, you need to configure also the encrypted communication, and there you're going to select the certificate. This is really well described in the online help. And I'm now switching to the other screen here. And I will be using the offline version of the help just because of the fact that this one offers me to have different tabs open here, okay? That's the big advantage by using the offline version and not the online version, basically. So I'm going to search, and I'm adding an encrypting communication. So I don't have to really add the whole term. And I'm finding here the page, and here you got the information.
Pino,
Yes?
can you just zoom in a little bit, please? It's a bit small. Can you just zoom in the browser?
Maximize the screen as well.
Okay.
Maximize the screen as well.
Yeah, I will be using the Desigo CC anyway afterwards. Okay, so you see here that it's a step-by-step guidance, okay? What you have to do in SMC, and then set the encryption in the system management console. So, and here how to select and valid the certificate, okay? It gives you a step-by-step guidance. We are not going through this now step-by-step because we will really concentrate in long-term storage. But it's all well explained, and it's easy to do basically when you know it how to do it.